805 out of the water.
That's right. Slowly, slowly, and don't forget to smile. Hit the showers. Spectators, look to the seat to your left. Big Smithcap's about to make that turn. I see another member of our triathlon community. Ito maganda to pag tinawag. Maya, makikita mo.
In a bit.
In a bit, we got one. Ito muna, yung naka-blue suit from Team Triumph coming out of the water. And right behind him, we call him the Iligan Muscle Biker, Glenn Carlos. We gotta see those muscles move and every time he should be out of the water.
Here we go.
The Barracudas are coming out. We got Gregorio coming out of the water.
638 out of the water.
But distance, we're going to release you in 15 minutes.
And you know it's on. Team DPS trying out of the water.
Brock June.
Oh, we got Team Sangalores out of the water.
Kaboy na dol. Oh, murag ikaw pat laga. Tuwa na sila Vice, si Tata, Chris.
Out of the water. Earl King out of the water.
Love it. 2 minutes before we release the fun distance.
Aray, wow!
Sabi ko na, makakalayo dito sige.
Relax lang yan, oh. Relax lang yung mga yan. Mag-enjoy. Please go to our marshals.
One of the fastest riders to running for the first time. Triathlon. Representing Easy Runners Club 9. Oh, by the way, we have a DJ. An actual DJ.
Try to dance ang ganda ng ano. Yung kanilang clip, you got
Te, smile, te. Smile na, te.
45 kPa. Mark Kenny. Nadapa, pero hindi yan gusto ko pareho.
fun distance.
Out of the water.
Go, Mans!
1 minute.
Go, Talanet! Go, Talanet! Talanet! Doon na lang! Kaya, te!
Kaya! Mukha!
Kaka Cruz!